Good morning and welcome to this cold morning for our back to school season. Today we're going to make this crochet water bottle holder. It doesn't take long at all. It's just made with some double crochets, some single crochets, and some skipping some stitches to make a V-stitch. So let's get on with it. This one's an easy one. I'll catch you later. Right, first thing we're going to do is chain 4. Now if we chain 4 and join it in a circle, that's going to be stronger than if we do the magic ring. Then we're going to do 12 double crochets into the center. Then in the next round we're going to do a double crochet in every stitch, which will increase it to 24 stitches. Then we're going to do one double crochet and then a double crochet increase. Now the next row, we're not going to increase any, but we're going to do everything in the back loop only. So a double crochet in every stitch. Now we're moving on to our V-stitches themselves. Now I will put the written instructions for the V-stitch in the description down below. Now these V-stitches, basically I decided to go with 13 rows, but you can use as many rows as you want to get the length that you want. Then once you've got the length that you want in your V-stitch rows, which work up very quick, one whole row of double crochet, followed by a row of single crochet. That will make the top nice and sturdy. Then we're going to work on the top carry handle. So just chain as long as you want. Don't cut your yarn off, just chain as long as you want it. Double crochet back down the row once you get there, and then do a single crochet back to the far end. Once you get to the far end, just slip stitch that handle straight onto the other side of your water bottle, and there you go. You are done.